Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon to all of you. How are you? I hope that all of you are very fine. Be hopeful, be positive, stay safe at your home. And now come to read this chapter, The Alien Planet, the Green Movement's Role, from your textbook. This chapter has been written by Nani Palkiwala. Nani Palkiwala wrote this lesson, this topic, and it was published in 1994 in the Indian Express, the magazine. इंडियन एक्सप्रेस नामक मैगजीन में 1994 में पब्लिश हुआ. What has he written in this chapter? What is the theme of this chapter? What is the summary of this chapter? Now, I want to tell you firstly in Hindi in very brief. इस चैप्टर में आप देखेंगे कि नानी पालकीवाला ने बताया है कि हमारी यह जो जिस प्लैनेट पर हम लोग रह रहे हैं, ये प्लैनेट, ये उपग्रह बीमार है, अनहेल्दी है. एलिंग मीन्स अनहेल्दी, सिक. अनहेल्दी और सिक और इल. बीमार क्यों है? क्योंकि इसका जो मेटाबॉलिक सिस्टम है, पाचन तंत्र है, वो आप लोगों ने ख़राब कर दिया है. इस चैप्टर में नानी पालकीवाला ने लिखा है, यू आर द मोस्ट डेंजरस एनिमल इन द वर्ल्ड. आप ही सबसे खतरनाक जानवर हैं इस संसार में. क्योंकि इस धरती का जो पाचन तंत्र है आप खराब कर देते हो. और इस पाचन तंत्र में 4 पार्ट हैं, मेन 4 पार्ट हैं. नंबर 1, फॉरेस्ट. नंबर 2, फिशरीज. नंबर 3, क्रॉपलैंड. एंड नंबर 4, ग्रासलैंड. इसको आप खराब कर रहे हैं. अब मेन रीजन क्यों लेके है कि वी आर ओवर यूजिंग दिस थिंग्स, these systems, main systems of metabolism of the earth. Forests, we are overcutting the forests in order to meet with our needs, and not only to meet our needs, but also to make more and more money. We are smuggling the woods, and in order to smuggle the woods, we are cutting the forest, we are clearing the forest at very high rate. And in this way, there is a data 1.7 million acre per year has been destroyed, has been decimated by us. So surely our earth will be a barren land, a wasteland. निश्चित रूप से एक वेस्टलैंड हो जाएगा, बैरन लैंड हो जाएगा, ऊसर हो जाएगा, बंजर हो जाएगा. फिशरीज, वी आर हंग्री फॉर द प्रोटीन्स, दैट इज वाई वी आर फिशिंग, ओवर फिशिंग. सो our fishery system is being deteriorated. Deteriorated means being destroyed. In order to get more and more protein, we are overfishing the fishes. That is why this system is also being destroyed by us. And cropland, in order to produce more and more food, we are using more and more fertilizers. That is why our cropland is also deforming, distorting, and it is turning into desert. And that is grassland. And we are along with the forest, we are clearing the grassland also. And that is why, because there are no grass on the land, so this land is becoming barren and wasteland. In this way, only the overuse by us of all these main systems of the earth is the main reason to make our earth sick, to make our earth ill. And why are we doing so? The main thing is our overpopulation. Our overpopulation is the main reason for overusing of all these things. Because in order to provide the food, the shelter and other things, really we are overusing all these things. And the industrialists, they are also, I think, most responsible for making our environment ailing or unhealthy, because they are producing more and more harmonious gases due to their factories, their mills, their industries. So in the root of all these things, our population is the main cause, and that is why we are using or overusing all these things. Right? In 1972, for the first time, nationwide Green Party was founded, taking the notice of the world as a whole. That is why from that time, since then, a concept of holistic and sustainable, a concept of a holistic and ecological view came in the mind of the people. Holistic means complete. Holistic. Complete means as a whole. And ecological, it is related to environmental. Ecological means here environmental. So here the writer has written that for the first time in 1972, a concept came in the mind of the people that we are not the people of different countries, but we are the people of the world. That is why our responsibility, our duty is to protect the world, not only our country, not only our people. This kind of concept came in the mind of the people, and the people became conscious, became aware for this issue, for this problem, and such this awareness was better, more effective than the concept of Copernicus. What has Copernicus introduced? The Copernicus introduced that the earth moves around the sun. the earth along with other planets move around the sun. The people did not believe it, but in the long run, all of them believed it that he was right. In the same way, when the people became aware, they began to think, oh, all of us must to protect our environment, otherwise what will happen? We are going to provide our children, our future generation, the unhealthy planet, and we are providing them the passport of the death due to the unhealthy environment. In this way, the writer has written that we should not destroy all these things in such a high rate, at such a high rate. We are destroying the fisheries, we are destroying the croplands, grasslands, and the other things. Why are not we using more and more cow dung in our cropland? Because much more cow dung is being used as a fuel in order to cook the food. All the poor area and the poor people of the country, the people of poor countries, they are using the dung cakes in the place of kerosene, in the place of gas cylinder and stove. And that is why they are clearing the forest at very high rate. So what is the measure? What is the method that we can control it? The main method is we have to adopt the family planning. Otherwise, we are going to become poorer and poorer. Two choices have been provided by the writer before us. Either you use the family planning, or you become the poorer and poorest. You sustain, you retain, you continue the increment of the poverty. There are two choices. So either you control your birth rate or you become the poor. I think the first choice is better for us, because some people think that more people means more work, but they do not think that more people means without work. That is why the rich people are becoming richer and the poor are becoming poorer. Why? Because the poor people have no jobs, no work, they are not developing, and the rich people are developing. They have no time. To produce the children. So development is the main thing, contraceptive. Contraceptive means controlling method. Contraceptive means controller, regulator. Regulator. So this family planning is the main regulator to control the population, because India's population is equal to Africa's plus South America's population put together. So in this way, the condition of our environment and our planet has reached to a catastrophic position. Catastrophic position means critical position. Catastrophic means critical position. Catastrophic means critical position. So the condition of our environment has come to very critical position, means it is about to go to the ICU, you know. That is why our duty is to protect the deterioration of our environment, the deterioration of our earth, in order to provide it in better position to our future generation. So Lester Brown had said, in the last line, Lester Brown had said, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. We have borrowed it from our children. We have not inherited it from our forefathers. यानी मैंने इसको अपने पूर्वजों से विरासत में नहीं लिया है, बल्कि हमने इसको अपने बच्चों से उधार लिया है. जब कोई चीज़ आप उधार लेते हो तो उसको लौटाना आवश्यक होता है. इसलिए जैसे लिए हो कम से कम अपने आने वाली पीढ़ी को उसी तरह से लौटाना है. दैट इज़ वाई लेस्टर ब्राउन हैज सेड दैट वी हैव नॉट इनहेरिटेड दिस अर्थ फ्रॉम आवर फोरफादर्स, बट वी हैव बारोड, बारो में सुधार लेना, वी हैव बारोड इट फ्रॉम आवर फ्यूचर generation. So we have to give them back in the right position, in the good condition to our children. That is why it is our duty it is our duty to protect it, to safeguard it, because we are the trustees, we are the responsible persons to protect our earth. And you know that Margaret Thatcher has given her statement, and this statement was the best and most effective statement in England at that time. What has she said? She has said, no generation has a freehold on this earth. All we have is a life tenancy. Life tenancy मीन्स जीवन भर किराएदार. हम लोग मालिकाना हक नहीं मिला हमको इस धरती का, इस पृथ्वी का. वी हैव नॉट द राइट ऑफ फ्री होल्ड, वी आर नॉट द फ्री होल्डर. हम लोग मालिक नहीं हैं, तब क्या है? किराएदार हैं. किराएदार का काम क्या होता है? टेनेंट मीन्स किराएदार. टेनेंट means किराएदार. The the rented man. Who gives the rent what he takes. तो हम लोग किराएदार हैं. किराएदार का काम है जैसे आप अपना मकान देते हैं वैसे वापस करें, उसको ख़राब न करें. मार्गरेट थैचर हैज सेड दैट वी आर नॉट द फ्री होल्डर of this earth, but we are the tenants. We have the life tenancy to give this earth in the same condition without compromising the need of our future generation to them. Understood? This has been written by Margaret Thatcher. And there is an industrialist, Mr. Edgar S. Ullard. He is the chairman of DuPont. DuPont is the company. He is the chairman of DuPont, Mr. Edgar S. Ullard. And one day he declared himself Chief Environmental Officer. एक दिन इन्होंने अपने आप को Chief Environmental Officer घोषित कर दिया अपनी कंपनी का. लेकिन कहते हैं कि अगर मैं चीफ एनवायरमेंटल ऑफिसर हूँ तो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरी ड्यूटी है इस एनवायरनमेंट की रक्षा करना. कहते हैं Our continued existence as a leading manufacturer requires that we excel in environmental performance. कह रहे हैं अगर हम लीडिंग मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं तो हमारी ड्यूटी है कि हम एनवायरनमेंट की रक्षा करने में भी सबसे आगे रहें. इफ़ वी आर द बेस्ट एंड लीडिंग मैन्युफैक्चरर, our foremost duty is to excel. Excel means take over, overtake. एनवायरनमेंट की सुरक्षा में भी हमें सबको ओवरटेक कर देना चाहिए. तो वी शुड ओवरटेक ऑल अदर पीपल in safeguarding our planet, in protecting our planet and its environment. So in this way, this is the summary of this lesson, my dear students. Thank you very much.